Luke here in my 4Runner, and today we're going hunting for trees. Oh, that one looks nice right there. How are we gonna get it off the hill? I got a winch on the back here. This is your cheapo Harbor Freight winch. Tree spool, and we're gonna close. All right, now we're gonna go put this log on my sawmill and mill up some nice wood. Let's see if this drives. This ATV has a drive weight of 400 pounds. And I'm proud to be pulling a couple thousand at least. It's not easy for it. ATV here started overheating, so we're gonna swap it out with the 4Runner. Good, right there. Straighten out. Not a bad way to go. Looking good. Right there. Dang, this is long. These are the rails that the mill slides on, and they can handle up to a 25-foot long log. I never measured this one, but I think we're pretty close. So I might cut off the small end of the log just so that we don't have to work around the smallest part at least. So the way my mill works is I just need the log to be parallel to my rails. That's it. See, this is a true portable mill. Ready to mill up some wood. That right there is a 25-foot long fish function. So this is here just freshly milled up. So I'm gonna help him put on the trailer. Around the Sawmill. Oh, I can't do it. Oh, let me get under it. There we go. All right. Now we're talking. Woo! Fresh green lumber. Ain't light. Oh. But man, it's beautiful.